Hey there, little food adventurers! Welcome to the wackiest, giggliest corner of your screen, where cookies can giggle, cakes can dance, and tea. Well, tea might just swirl around and do a little cha-cha, Sluuurp. Imagine a cookie rolling across the table on a secret mission, or a cake telling silly jokes while you nibble. And your tea, the loyal sidekick cheering them on with every sip. Nom nom nom! Picture this, tiny cookie armies marching toward your plate, frosting castles rising in all directions, and steam from your tea twisting into magical shapes like little wizards. Can you catch the cookie before it jumps into your mouth? Or watch the cake wobble as if it's giggling at you? Every bite is a tiny adventure, every sip a burst of magic, and every sprinkle a little surprise waiting to happen. Boing, crunch, giggle. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine. The cookies are secret agents, the cake is a soft, bouncy castle, and your tea is the wizard casting steam spills. The kitchen suddenly becomes a playground where everything comes alive: your snacks, your imagination. Even the sound of a spoon tapping the cup is a drum for the fun parade. Isn't it amazing how food can turn ordinary moments into magical adventures? And here's a little challenge for you. Can you eat a cookie without giggling? Can you sip your tea without imagining it doing a tiny somersault? But you can't. That's the power of fun food, making every bite a laugh, every sip a tiny story. Invite your friends, siblings, or even your stuffed animals to join this silly adventure. Watch how the cake dances, the cookies escape, and the tea waves hello. Laughter multiplies, and suddenly your snack time becomes a full-on comedy show. So, my little chefs and snack explorers, enjoy every bite, every sip, and every silly moment. And hey, if you love this playful adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our fun food family. More giggles, more magic, and more tasty adventures are waiting just for you. Nom nom Sluuurp, boing, crunch, giggle. You know, making these videos isn't always as easy as it looks. Sometimes I spend hours coming up with ideas, recording, editing, and making sure everything is just right. And then I realize I forgot to press record. But hey, that's all part of the adventure, right? Every little mistake just becomes a funny story to laugh about later. So if you're watching this and enjoying it, know that you're helping me keep the magic alive. By subscribing, liking, and sharing, you're not just supporting a channel, you're joining a little family of fun food adventurers who make the kitchen a playground of imagination. Thank you for being part of this journey.